Hello everyone, this is Kishor Patil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Maths for Science. Hello students, today we are going to start the topic Surds, which one is from the 9th standard chapter 2 real numbers. Real numbers. Okay, now first let us see what do you mean by the surd. Suppose their number is nth root of a, where n is a natural number. We know that what do you mean by natural number, which are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and a must be a positive rational number. A is a positive, which one is very important word, positive, negative nahi chahiye, positive rational number. And in all nth root of a, this number must be an irrational number. Irrational number. Then we can say that this one is the surd. Okay, now let us see some examples of the surd. We know that square and cubes of some numbers, suppose I am writing here, see here, some numbers are there and their squares and cubes are there. So square of 7 is 49, cube of 7 is 343 and so on. आपको अगर लिखना है तो पॉज करके आप लिख सकते हो. Now see here, we know that square root of 49 is 7. Actually it is plus minus 7, and square root of 64 is 8. But what about the square root of 50, square root of 51, square root of 60, square root of 61, square root of 62, square root of 63 and so on. इनके आंसर इंटेजर में नहीं मिल रहे. That is why these are irrational numbers and these are rational numbers. Okay, so in all, if our answer is irrational, then we can say that this one is a surd. Okay, now let us see some examples of the surd. Suppose I am taking third root of 27, I will get answer 3. Third root of 64, I will get answer 4. What about third root of 28, third root of 29, third root of 63? All these numbers don't have answer in the form of integer. Therefore, all these are irrational numbers. Okay, now in all we can say this one is a surd, this one is a surd, this one is a surd. ये इसका आंसर rational आ रहा है तो it is not a surd. इसका आंसर rational आ रहा है, it is not a surd. Okay, now some examples of the surd. Third root of 7. Yes, 3 is a natural number, 7 is positive rational number. In all, this one is an irrational. So 3 conditions are there. Is there this number is a natural number, this one is a positive rational number, and in all irrational, then we can say that this one is a surd. Okay, I am taking fourth root of 10. See, ये natural है क्या? हाँ है. ये पॉजिटिव रैशनल है क्या? हाँ है. एंड इन ऑल इसका आंसर इंटीजर में नहीं मिल रहा है, मतलब इररेशनल है. सो वी कैन से इन ऑल दिस वन इज ए surd. फॉर दैट पर्पज understand the concept of rational number and irrational number first. Okay, for this surd we can say order is equal to 4. See, this one is the order, and radicand is equal to 10. For this surd, 3 is the order and 7 is the radicand. Now suppose 3 root 18. What is the order? Yes, very good. 3 is the order. And what is the radicand? 18 is the. Let us see the new topic, that is the simplest form of the surd. I am taking two examples. One of them is the root 27, the other one is root 168. Root 27 can be written as under root of 9 into 3. 9 is square of 3, so whenever it comes out, it becomes 3 root 3. 9 comes out, so become 3 root 3. Similarly, so this is the simplest form. That's final. Okay, root 168. I am just finding the fractions of 168. That 168 when divided by 2, it becomes 84. Divided by 2 becomes 42. Divided by 2 becomes 21. Divided by 3 becomes 7. And 7 ones are 7. So that root 168 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. There is only one pair of 2, so whenever pair of 2 comes out, become just 2 under root of. इनके pair नहीं है तो as it is रहेंगे 2 3 6, 2 3 6 and 6 7 42. So 2 root 42. This is the simplest form. Okay. Now let us see the next question. That is like surds and unlike surds. I am taking the for one example, root 52 and 5 root 13. Now see here, root 52 can be written as under root of 4 into 13. So whenever 4 comes out, it becomes, yes, whenever 4 comes out, it becomes 2 root 13, and another number is 5 root 13. See, root 13 are the same like terms. Therefore we can say 2 root 13 and 5 root 13 are like surds. Okay, let us see one more example. I am taking the next example. I am taking 5 root 5 and root 75. Okay, 5 root 5 as it is. So root 75, that can be written as under root of 25 into 3. Whenever 25 comes out, it becomes 5 because 25 is the square of 5. So 25 whenever comes out becomes 5 and root 3. Now see here, it is 5 root 5 and this one is 5 root 3. So these are not like surds. Therefore 5 root 5 and 5 root 3 are not like surds, or you can say unlike surds. Okay, see here, root 75 can be written as root 15 into 5, but 15 is not a square of any term, 5 also not a square of any term, so इसका कुछ भी फायदा नहीं है. That is why we have divided like this. Okay, let us see next question, that is compare. Next question is question compare. Okay, compare the following surds. Compare the following surds. Okay, I am taking one example. First example, this one is suppose I'm taking 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Okay, 7 root 2, that term can be written as, in the previous sum we have taken squares out. 9 when comes out becomes 3, or here 4 when comes out becomes 2. Similarly, when they goes in, they becomes 2 goes in becomes 4, 3 goes in becomes 9. See here, whenever 7 goes in becomes 49 because square of 7 is 49 into 2, so is equal to root 49 टू ज़ा 98, आप कहीं बाजू में कर लेना. And 5 root 3, this term becomes 25 into 3. 5 root 3 is equal to under root of 25 into 3. Whenever 5 goes in, becomes 25. So is equal to root 75. Now see here, you can easily compare which one is bigger. 98 is bigger, but 98 is bigger than 75. Therefore, 7 root 2 is bigger than 5 root 3. Okay, let us see the next question. If you want to write or want to understand one more time, you can recap or you can pause. Okay, I am taking the next one. 7 and 2 root 5. See, this 7 can be written as under root of 49 because we know that root of 49 is 7, and 2 root 5 can be written as 2 whenever goes in becomes 4 into 5. 2 becomes 4 and root 5 is already there, so it is root 20. Now root 49, root 20, you can easily compare. 49, root 49 is bigger, therefore 7 is bigger than 2 root 5. This is our final answer. Okay, next question, simplify. Question is simplify. First question, it is 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Okay, simplify 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Let us take root 3 as a common. So 5 plus 8 root 3 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 root 3. This is our final answer. Okay, let us see one more example. I am taking here. Suppose I am taking the next example. It is root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. In the each term there is root 7. So I am taking root 7 as a common. Here 1 is there. कुछ भी लिखा नहीं, इसका मतलब 1 तो होता ही है. 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2. So is equal to, let us add and subtract. इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So that can be written as 5 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 root 7. इसको सॉल्व किया सिर्फ. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, minus sign, and 5 ones are 5. So is equal to 2 root 5 plus 2 root 7. So is equal to, let us add these two terms upon 1. This one is 2 plus 10 upon 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 upon 5 ones are 5 root 7 is equal to 12 upon 5 root 7. This is our final answer. Let us see one more example. If you want to understand again, you can pause it. It is 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. Okay, see here, root 48, root 27, root 3 are not in the like surds. तो इसको like surds में convert कर लेते हैं. 7 under root of 16 into 3. 16 into 3 क्यों? 16 is the square of 4. Good. Under root of 27, that means 9 into 3 minus root 3. So whenever 16 comes out, becomes 4. Good. 7 into 4 root 3 minus, whenever 9 comes out, become 3 root 3 minus root 3. So root 3 take as a common. 7 4s are 28 minus 3 minus, here is 1. Good. Is equal to 28 minus 3, 25, minus 1, 24. So 24 root 3. This is our final answer. Okay. Next question is multiply. Question multiply. Okay, let us multiply. First one is 3 root 12 into root 18. So 3 root 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into 8 root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So this term becomes 3, 4 comes out becomes 2 root 3 into 9 comes out become 3 root 2. So 2 3s are 6 root 3 into 3 root 2. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. And root 3 into root 2. 3 2s are 6 root 6. This is our final answer. Let us see one more example. I am taking suppose it is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. We know that root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. So what is root 8 into 8? Root 8, that is 8. एंड मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कॉमन नहीं ले रहे हैं हम लोग. रूट 8 इंटू रूट 8 दैट इज 8 एंड 5 2 ज़ा 10. 8 5 2 ज़ा 10. रूट 8 इंटू रूट 8, ये सेम मेथड. रूट 8 इंटू रूट 8 दैट इज 8. सो 10 8 ज़ा 80. दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज divide. Okay, first one is under root of 98 divided by under root of 2. So let us divide under root of 98 divided by 2 is equal to, यहाँ पे कई बाजू में कर लेते हैं. आप पीछे के पेज पे रफ पेज पे कर दें. 98 divided by 2. 2 4 ज़ा 8 1 8. 2 9 ज़ा 18 0. So is equal to under root of 49. And we know that under root of 49 is equal to 7. Let us see one more example. I am taking suppose root 310 divided by root 5. Okay, same method applying here. Under root of 310 divided by 5. तो कहीं पे अलग सॉल्व कर लेला. 5 6 ज़ा 30. 1 0 5 2 ज़ा 10. So what is our answer? Is equal to under root of 62. This is our final answer. The next question is rationalize. This one is the most important question of 9th standard. Okay, the question is rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, and the question is 3 upon root 5. Question is very simple. 3 upon root 5 multiply by root 5 upon root 5. Whatever be the denominator, rationalize the denominator. तो whatever be the denominator, सर्ड के फॉर्म में जो भी उसको मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करेंगे. यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर and denominator by root 5. Okay, now is equal to, what is 3 into root 5? Is equal to 3 root 5. And what about root 5 into root 5? That we have seen. Root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. So this is our final answer. Let us see one more question. I am taking suppose the next one. I am taking suppose 6 upon 9 root 3. Okay, root 3 is this part of surd. तो इसको इस फॉर्मूले में 6 upon 9 root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. रीजन देंगे मल्टीप्लाइंग multiplying न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर। आप ऐसे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में, छोटे फॉर्म में मत लिखना, आप स्पेलिंग लिख लेना, आपके मार्क्स कट हो सकते हैं। मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय √3, so is equal to 6√3 upon 6 into √3, 6√3, and we know that √3 into √3, that is 3, so it is 9 into 3, so is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2s are, final answer is 2√3 upon 9. So this is the final answer. Okay, let us see practice set 2.4, multiply. First question is, I'm taking √3 in bracket √7 minus √3. We are using the same process that we are using in the algebraic expression. So √3 multiplied by √7 minus √3 multiplied by √3. So √3 into √7 minus √3 into √3. √3 into √7, that is √21 minus, and we know that √3 into √3, that is 3. Very good. So that is our final answer. Let us see one more example. I am taking 3√2 minus √3 and 4√3 minus √2. Let us break one bracket. So next time we can write 3√2, that one, into this bracket, next bracket 4√3 minus √2 minus √3, this one, minus √3 in bracket 4√3 minus √2. So is equal to, let us multiply 3√2 with 4√3 minus 3√2 with √2, that is 3√2 into 4√3 minus 3√2 into √2, this one with this one here, and this one with this one here, minus √3 into 4√3, this term, and then this term, minus minus become plus, because हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस, √3 into √2. So is equal to 3 4s are 12, √2 into √3 becomes √6, minus 3, √2 into √2 becomes 2, minus 4, √3 into √3 becomes 3, plus √6 is equal to 12√6 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 plus √6. Okay, now see here, √6 like Surds, so is equal to 12, and here 1, it is 13√6, and minus 6 minus 12 both have the same sign, addition करते 6 and 12 18, bigger number का sign minus 18. So this is our final answer. Let us see the next question. Rationalize the denominator. Question, rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. The denominator. Sorry. The first one, 1 upon √7 plus √2. So this term becomes 1 upon √7 plus √2 into √7 minus √2 upon √7 minus √2. We are multiplying with the conjugate pair. What conjugate pair? ये जो क्लाउड मैं बना रहा हूँ आप लोग नहीं बनाओगे. So is equal to 1 into this term becomes √7 minus √2 upon, we know that the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. See, √7 plus √2, √7 minus √2, a plus b, a minus b it become root 7 square minus root 2 square. So is equal to root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 का square 7 minus root 2 का square 2. So is equal to upon 5. And remember root 7 minus root 2 इसका subtraction नहीं होगा because these two are not like surds. So root 7 minus root 2 as it is रहेगा. So our final answer is root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. Okay, let us see the next question. I am taking one more question. It is 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. So 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. So is equal to 4 7 minus 4 root 3. This is the numerator, and the denominator is again a plus b, a minus b. It is 7 square minus 4 root 3 square. We are multiplying with conjugate pair. So 4 7s are 28 minus 4 4s are 16 root 3. 4 7s are 28 minus 4 4s are 16 root 3 upon 7 square, that means 49 minus 4 root 3 square, 4 square 16 and root 3 square 3. 4 square 16 and root 3 square 3. So is equal to, I am writing here, is equal to 28 minus 16 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 3s are 48. So 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. तो डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है तो कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. रिमेनिंग इज 28 minus 16 root 3. This is our final answer. The last term of the chapter is absolute value. That is absolute value. This one is very simple. I am taking one sum first. It is mod of 15 minus 2. So is equal to mod of 15 minus 2, that means 13, and the final answer is 13. Okay, absolute value, that means just magnitude, और जिसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं मॉडुलस. इसमें कोई भी साइन नहीं रहता, प्लस माइनस कुछ भी साइन नहीं. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग द सेकेंड सम. सपोज दिस इज mod of 4 minus 9 is equal to 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. So mod of minus 5 is equal to 5 without a sign. Okay, now let us see one more sum. Given that 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. In the mod 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. रिमेंबर, इसके पहले नंबर्स को मॉड थे तो हमने डायरेक्ट मॉड निकाल दिया, साइन निकाल दिया. पर यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होगा. अगर यहाँ पे मॉड निकालना है तो मॉड के अंदर देयर इज अ वेरिएबल. इफ देयर इज अ वेरिएबल इन द मॉड, तो इसको निकालने का प्रोसेस इस फॉर्म में 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to, what will be the next term? It become plus minus 5. ओके, मॉड निकाल दिया तो आगे जो भी वैल्यूज है इट बिकम प्लस माइनस एंड 5 इज देयर, देयरफॉर इट इज प्लस माइनस 5. So therefore we can write 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5, or 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. So therefore 2 here divide है, यहाँ पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा. इट बिकम्स 8 minus x is equal to 2 5s are 10, or 8 minus x become 2 5s are 10, but minus 10 is there. So therefore minus x becomes plus x here, and 8 is already here, plus 10 becomes minus 10 here, or 8 minus x become plus x, minus 10 become plus 10, minus 10 become plus 10, minus x become plus x. These are the simple processes already we have seen in the 6th standard also. So therefore 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 18. You can say or. This is our answer. Let us see one more example. I am taking mod of 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Okay, mod के अंदर x है, therefore 7 minus 2x is equal to plus minus 5. Therefore 7 minus 2x is equal to 5 or 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. So therefore by rearranging minus 2x become plus 2x, 7 plus 5 on the right left hand become minus 5 or again minus 2x become plus 2x. देखो इसकी साइड चेंज कर रहा हूँ and 7 minus 5 comes here become plus 5. So therefore we can write 2 is equal to 2x or 12 is equal to 2x. Okay, 2 is equal to 2x or 12 is equal to 2x. So next term we can write here, it is again I am writing here, therefore 2x is equal to 2 or 2x is equal to 12. इस फॉर्म में मेरा आंसर आया था. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 2 or x is equal to 12 upon 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. So these are my final answers. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, then like it, share it and subscribe it. Don't forget to click on bell icon.